Debt can feel like a heavy chain holding you back from achieving financial freedom. But what if I told you there's a way to decode the complexities of debt and turn it into a manageable, even empowering, tool? In this video, we'll break down the steps to master your debt, eliminate financial stress, and pave the way to true financial freedom, all without unnecessary struggle. Section 1. Understand your debt. Take inventory. Start by listing all your debts: credit cards, student loans, mortgages, car payments. Include the interest rates, minimum payments, and total amounts owed. This overview helps you pinpoint which debts are costing you the most. Separate good debt from bad debt. Good debt: investments like a mortgage or student loans that contribute to future growth. Bad debt: high-interest credit cards or payday loans that drain your finances without offering long-term benefits. Know your interest rates. High interest rates are the real culprits. Focus on strategies to tackle them first. Section 2. Build a debt repayment plan. Debt snowball method: pay off the smallest debts first to build momentum. Debt avalanche method: focus on debts with the highest interest rates to save money in the long term. Combine multiple high-interest debts into one with a lower interest rate. This simplifies payments and reduces costs. Negotiate with creditors. Call your creditors to negotiate lower interest rates or create a more manageable repayment plan. Many companies are willing to work with you if you reach out. Section 3. Cutting costs to accelerate debt repayment. Trim non-essentials. Audit your expenses. Cancel unused subscriptions, eat out less, and redirect those savings toward your debt. Create a bare-bones budget. Focus on necessities like housing, food, and transportation. Dedicate every spare dollar to paying off your debt. Boost your income. Take on a side hustle, sell unused items, or leverage skills for freelance work. Every extra dollar can make a significant dent in your debt. Section 4. Avoid future debt traps. Emergency fund first. Save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses to prevent reliance on credit cards in emergencies. Stick to a spending plan. Track your income and expenses. Set clear limits for discretionary spending. Use credit wisely. Only charge what you can pay off in full each month. Avoid minimum payments whenever possible. Section 5. Leveraging resources for success. Debt counseling services. Work with certified debt counselors who can help create a repayment plan tailored to your needs. Apps and tools. Apps like Mint, You Need a Budget, YNAB, or Debt Payoff Planner can help track your progress and stay organized. Community support. Join forums or groups where others are tackling debt. Sharing tips and success stories can keep you motivated. Section 6. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge progress. Every payment made, every credit card closed, is a step toward freedom. Reward yourself for milestones in small, budget-friendly ways. Visualize financial freedom. Create a vision board or financial tracker to keep your goals top of mind. Seeing your progress can boost motivation. Advanced strategies to reduce debt. Leverage balance transfers. Many credit card companies offer promotional balance transfer rates as low as 0%. Transferring high-interest balances to a card with a lower rate can save you hundreds or even thousands in interest fees. Be mindful of transfer fees and aim to pay off the balance during the promotional period. Explore refinancing options. For student loans, auto loans, or mortgages, refinancing to a lower interest rate can drastically reduce monthly payments and the total amount paid over time. Debt forgiveness programs. Research options like student loan forgiveness programs for qualifying professionals or industries. These programs can eliminate significant portions of your debt if you meet the criteria. Boosting income to accelerate debt repayment. Monetize your skills. Consider freelance work in areas like graphic design, writing, programming, or tutoring. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients looking for specific skills. Passive income streams. Renting out unused assets, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or creating digital products, e.g., ebooks or courses, can provide supplementary income to tackle debt faster. Shift to a high-demand job. Upskill in areas such as tech, healthcare, or finance to move into higher-paying roles. Avoiding debt triggers. Recognize behavioral patterns. Impulse buying often leads to unnecessary debt. Use a 24-hour rule before making purchases to ensure they align with your budget and priorities. Limit credit card usage. Treat credit cards as tools for convenience, not extensions of your income. If necessary, switch to a cash-based or debit card system to prevent overspending. Mastering the art of financial freedom doesn't have to feel overwhelming. By understanding your debt, creating a realistic plan, and adopting smarter habits, you can break free from the chains of debt and build a future filled with financial possibilities. If this guide inspired you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs a financial reset, and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom.